$2 every minute with Google. You know that you can make over $2 every minute with Google? It's around $120 every hour, just by using Google and some free AI tools. In this video, we will reveal the untold method by leveraging Google News and AI writing tools to generate quick and easy income. Whether you own a website or not, you will learn how to create high-ranking content and monetize it and maximize your earnings through various platforms. I have put in extensive research and test those methods for a whole month just to ensure you get the most effective strategies for 2024. Ready to discover how you can earn $2 every minute online? Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open up your browser and search for Google News. Head over to news.google.com. Once there, focus on the trending news in your choice of country by tapping in the search bar. This will show you the top trending stories in the country. Next, navigate to a website called CEO Writing AI and sign up for a free account. You can sign up using your name, email, and password, and just continue with Google. This site will be our primary tools. Now, use ChatGPT to brainstorm. Ask it for the top 10 blog article ideas that align with the trending news you have found. Once you get those ideas, pick one that stands out to you. For instance, choose the first idea and head back to CEO Writing AI. This platform would handle most of the heavy lifting. Use the one-click blog post feature. Paste your main keyword and click Generate Title. This tool is incredibly powerful. I have used it to create content on my health and fitness blog. It just worked really great. Just input one keyword and it generates a completely article that can rank well on Google. Next is to customize the tone of voice, language, and article length as you see fit. You can also add NLP keywords to enhance your article Google ranking. Select the number of image and video to be included in the post. Once you are satisfied with the setup, you can publish the article directly to your WordPress site, or simply click Run to have it written for you. If you don't have a website, that's not a problem. You can still monetize this content using Google. I will show you how to make your first $100 using Google Affiliate Program. This method is accessible to everyone, regardless of whether you own a website, ensuring that you can start earning money online quickly and effectively. Step 2. In these steps, you need to search for a unique event that actually occurs. Open Google and look up this event. Aim to find some intriguing images. You can either explore Wikipedia for some odd images or simply use Google Images. For instance, bizarre black and white photos tend to captivate audiences due to the hairy nature. Save a suitable image to your computer, and now let's move on to the content creation part. Imagine this: you are on a wall and your article is shaping up nicely. You have managed craft compelling 4,000 word piece filled with key phrases and insightful quotes. Even AI generate images that complement your writing perfectly. This article is a top-notch, brimming with valuable content. Now, you might be wondering how to monetize this piece of art. Here's where it gets exciting. Just head over to a platform called Listverse. It's a site where people share fascinating and often true stories. On Listverse, click on More section and then write Get Paid. You will see that you can earn $100 for every accept articles. So submit your article by filling your details, copying the title from your CEO Writing AI, and paste it into the submission form. Include a concise introduction and then the full article. Once you are satisfied, agree to the term and hit submit. It's a straightforward way to make money if your article meets the standard. Next, let's optimize our effort further. Return to Google and search for that event again. But this time, find a detailed article about it. Copy the link to that article, then visit a website called Shrink Me. This platform pays you for the traffic your link generates. People worldwide are earning money this way, with payments ranging from $5 to $60 depending on the number of clicks the links receive. Create an account on Shrink Me and log in. Remember, You're not earning $5 per clicks, but rather for every 500 or 1,000 clicks, once log in, click on use shorten link, paste the article link you found, and click shorten. This will give you a shorter version of the link to share. To start making money, promote the shortened link across various platforms. When people click on it, you earn money based on the accumulated clicks. As your earning grows, head over to withdraw section, enter your payment detail and your profile, and choose your preferred payment method. Finally, click withdraw to cash out your earnings. With this step, you can effectively monetize your articles and links. Step 3. To get started in this step, you need to access to a few key tools: a Medium account, an image editing tools, and a link shortener like ShrinkMe. Here's how you can make money by leveraging those platforms. Imagine you are sitting at your computer, ready to generate some income online. You open up Medium, a platform known for its high Google ranking. Even if you don't have your own website, first, click Write to start your new article. Use an SEO writing tools to generate content. Copy the title and paste it into Medium. Next, copy the entire article next and paste it as well. Keep in mind, the images won't transfer automatically. Download those images separately by right-clicking and select Save As. If the Save As page file, convert them to JPEG using an online converter or simply take a screenshot. Once your text and images are in place, you will need to add a crucial component, a call to action or CTA with a link. Go back to the original source of your article, find a suitable link and shorten it using ShrinkMe. Copy this shortened link and paste it into your Medium article at strategic point between paragraphs, urging readers to read full articles by clicking the link. Each click on this link earns you money. Finally, publish your article. Ensure you have included relevant topics for SEO optimization and copy the article link. Now, let's expand your reach using MGO, a platform bustling with millions of users sharing and triggering images. This strategy exposes your article to a wider audience, increase the chances of click and consequently your earnings. In addition to sharing on social media, you can also offer your article writing services on various freelancing platform sites like Contra, where freelancers can charge between $1 to $150 per hour are ideal for this. For instance, many freelancers are already successfully selling SEO blog articles with rates ranging from $75 to $150 per hour. You can also use other platforms like iWorkWell, which pays up to $200 per article, or SEO Clerks, where article writing gigs range from $10 to $40 per article. By using SEO writing tools, you can produce those articles quickly and efficiently. This allows you to offer competitive rates while still making a good profit. By following those steps, you're not just generating passive income through link clicks, but also establishing a side business in article writing. This dual approach maximizes your earning potential. All you need is a bit of creativity and the right tools to get started. But there's something missing. You need to share this website across your social media platforms to speed up your earnings. And if you want to learn a detailed tutorial on how to create and grow different social media platforms, and then you might just want to check out this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.